All right, we're going to do a deep dive here into the Acty van 1994 rear hatch lock. This is the one I took out. And the way it works, this pushes down. It actuates a little lever down the bottom. Actually, now it's in the lock position. This is where the lock arm goes. When you lock it, it pulls it up. When you unlock it, it pushes it down. Now, when you pull the handle, which pushes this lever down, the rod down, now it moves that lever down in the void area there. Need more light. Down in that hole. Lock. Free wheels. Unlock. Actuates. I'm thinking about how to make a release from the inside. So, but that's all.